In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Steam not logging in even with the correct password. If you're certain your password is correct but Steam still won't let you sign in, the problem may be that you're entering the wrong account name. Steam requires your account name to log in, not your email address or your profile name. First, make sure you're entering your Steam account name along with your password. If you're not sure what your account name is and you've previously signed into Steam on this computer, you may be able to find it in Steam's configuration files. Open File Explorer and go to this PC. Then open your local disk. Navigate to Program Files .86. Then open the Steam folder. Next, open the Config folder and locate the file named Config. Right-click the file, choose Open With, and open it using Notepad. Once the file is open, click Edit, then Find, and search for the word Account. You should see the account names that have previously been used to sign in on that computer. Find the correct account name, then use it on the Steam login screen along with your password, and try signing in again. If you can't find your account name this way, return to the Steam sign-in page and click Help, I can't sign in. Then choose I forgot my Steam account name or password. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. Complete the verification step and follow the instructions. Steam will help you locate your account name so you can use it to sign in. And that's all there is to it. Using the correct Steam account name instead of your email or profile name often resolves this login issue.